I have a background in data and data analysis and so on, going back into another career. And science in general interests me. For my MA work, I studied the COVID data provided by the government and made some of the pieces here from the COVID data. This is my first attempt with COVID data, and it ended up looking more like a heart monitor or a size monitor. But it's very different on the back. So I found that quite exciting, but a bit compact and too busy. And then I went on to this one, which was a little bit more satisfying because it had the length, because really this was January through to November. So I felt that I got the length of what was going on, where we were all in lockdowns and worrying about cases and so on. And then I went on to the big piece in the corner. From January to the end of October, I changed to deaths in the UK. So each bar is a day. So these are literally one pick, which is like one stitch in a weave, represents a death in the UK. So I finished it just as it was building again at the end of October in 2020. So although they're kind of soft textiles and so on, some of them have got a bit of a bite, yeah, a bit sharp.
Yeah, story behind it.
Yes. I've always struggled to think of myself as an artist because personally I've always found it quite difficult as a weaver. I've been weaving 20 years to make that artistic connection. I've always found myself a hobbyist or a crafter in other people's eyes, and I've never considered myself an artist, which is why I did the MA in fine art at PCA, to make that connection, and all these things that were going on inside me was to try and get those out. So it's given me that space and that clarity to just focus on where I am with what I'm doing, what I learned at the end of the last module about myself and my research, and what I want to do next. The thing that I would really advise people to do is to leave their lives behind. I think it's really good to leave the music off and just reduce all the contact and let yourself immerse totally and spend a lot of time outside, wandering around the village, up on the tors, in this amazing garden, these 18 acres here, which are just amazing. Anybody who comes here will just love the snug piggery and all the opportunities here, and also this amazing space. I don't think they can help but not move forward in their art and be inspired, and in themselves, become more one with yourself sort of thing, which is what I found.